Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister for Culture, Honorable Minister for Tourism, distinguished guests, friends. Apart from its program and its spectators, the IFFK is renowned for its juries. Every year, we strive to bring together professionals who spend a week looking at films, understanding each other, and creating bonds that often lead to great friendship. This is, of course, one of the aims of IFFK, to make cinema the bridge for humanity, to know, understand, and appreciate each other, however diverse one's cultures or backgrounds are. We have juries from all over the world. They come, they live here, they stay together for 1 week, they discuss, they argue, and they give us their results. This year, we are very proud to have Mr. Khairi Bashara, well-known Egyptian filmmaker, to chair the international jury. Mohammad Arya Fatima, actor from Iran. I think Kerala audiences, you will know her. She isn't here yet. She'll be arriving later tonight. When you see her, you will all know her. You have seen many, many films of hers from Iran in this very festival. We also have Amir Karakulov from Kazakhstan, well-known filmmaker. He is here with his wife. We welcome you, sir. We have on the international jury Mr. Rajiv Menon. Rajiv, well-known cinematographer and filmmaker, of course, who needs no introduction in Kerala. Mr. Nagaraj Manjule, known for his films Fandri and Sairat, and now his belief in encouraging young filmmakers. That is the most lovely thing, that Nagaraj is now encouraging young filmmakers to make films. So thank you all for coming and traveling all this distance to be with us. The international jury for critics, the Fipresky jury, we have Nachum Mochaich from Israel, who's also on the way. Shiladatya Sen, journalist with Anand Bazar Patrika and well-known author. And Sadia Khalid from Bangladesh, who writes for the Dhaka Times. On the NETPAC jury, NETPAC is the organization which gives awards to best films from Asia and the Pacific region. We have Rolando Tolentino from the Philippines, Raman Chawla from India, and Prasanna Vittanarage from Sri Lanka, whose work we also know as a filmmaker. We also have an award instituted in the name of Mr. K.R. Mohanan, our ex-chairman who we lost very tragically. This award is given by the FFSI. The jury has Etami Borjan from Croatia. Etami has also curated the package on post-Yugoslavian cinema, which we are all looking forward to seeing. We have Premendra Majumdar, well-known critic from Calcutta, and Mr. G.P. Ramendra, a General Council member of Kerala. We also welcome very warmly the Chinese delegation. Mr. Xing is here. He's the leader of the delegation. He has brought and worked hard to bring 6 films here. They're going to talk about restoration techniques in China. We have Gautam Ghosh, Aparna Sen. The whole week we are going to see a lot of young filmmakers, filmmakers you know. All the competition filmmakers are here who have come from all over the world. In fact, one person is coming all the way from Barbados. Also, we have Shai Heredia and Ruchir Joshi. Shai, I don't know, I haven't seen you, but she has curated the package on experiment, which we have called Experimenta. So this week promises to be one not only of good cinema, but good interaction, meeting people, and all our guests, I think, are going to love to meet this wonderful Kerala audience. Thank you and welcome you all.